In this video, we'll show you how to get the old dismissed notifications back on Android. Before we proceed, make sure you subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get daily tech videos. Let's get started. To do that, open the Play Store on your phone and search for an app called FilterBox. This app is free to download and also offers a 30-day trial to all the features. I've already installed the app and it's keeping a record of my notifications since then. Now, as you can see, there is no new notification in my drawer. But when I open this app, it lists all my ongoing and dismissed notifications. It's tracking my notifications from the first run. From the list, I can tap on any notification to get more information. It shows the notification content and status along with the respective app. Each dismissed notification has a restore option. It brings that notification back to the notification drawer. This app also has a search option that can be used to find particular notifications. So this is how you can get old notifications back on Android. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. I love free software TV, for more videos like this.